Here we have a 69 plate Range Rover Autobiography. Now this vehicle comes with the 21-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked. We do also have the black exterior paintwork on this vehicle. We have the LED headlights, gloss black lettering across the bonnet, as you can see, if we take a closer look just there, we also have the gloss black front grills. Round to the passenger side, you can see the second alloy wheel, again unmarked. We do also have the air suspension, so the vehicle can raise or lower, and it's currently set to the access height. We have the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors with the blind spot assist, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. Up top you find the panoramic glass sunroof that's currently open. It can also get put onto a tilt. We then have the shark fin antennae and a rear spoiler. Now we also have the parking sensors on this vehicle along with the 360-degree cameras, and of course the visual display inside. We then have the dual exhaust at the rear. We have the autobiography badging as well on the tailgate. Press this button just here on the remote and you'll find it will open the split tailgate. We've got the bottom half and the top half. Inside of here you see we have plenty of space whatever you may need. Really nice carpet as well inside of here. 12-volt connectivity. We also have buttons down here. Air suspension, so you can lower or raise the vehicle, making it easier to put things inside the boot. And then we also have the buttons to fold the seats down. You can also extend the parcel shelf just there at the top. Press this button just here and then you'll find it will close the bottom half, and press the top one and it will close the top half of the boot. Coming back round to the driver's side, you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If we take a look now at the interior, we do have the deployable side steps. So as you can see, the side steps fold out. We have the full leather seats as well in this vehicle with the executive class rear seat. So we do have the foldable armrest, which is electrically foldable. We have the fixed ISO points as well. Both of these rear seats are heated and they can also be cooled. We also have the electric controls with the memory functions on the doors, electric windows. We also have the blind as well, and the roof, which can be controlled using the button here on the door. We then have the climate control as well for the rear passengers. If you take a look now at the front, you'll also find the same leather seats. Again, both these front seats being electrically adjustable, that also have the memory function. They also are heated and can be cooled as well. And they do also have the memory function, the massage function, all controlled on the doors, electric windows, electric mirrors. We have the blind spot assist, premium Meridian sound system. We have the multifunctional steering wheel, which is electrically adjustable just down there. We'll just take a seat inside. You'll find the digital dashboard in front of us. If you put our foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle will turn on. We do have the paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel. Let's turn the volume down. We've got the automatic lights on that stalk there, automatic wipers on the other one. Steering wheel is also heated. Press that button to activate it. We have the lane assist, speedometer and the adaptive cruise control. Now if any of these lights or screens are flickering, it is just the camera. They're not flickering in real life, it's nothing to worry about. No warning lights on the dashboard other than for the fuel level, so nothing to worry about yet again. We have the heads-up display just up here as well. Again, if it's flickering, it's just the camera. Now we can change the view of the dashboard by pressing onto the menu button. You can go down onto the layout, and you can see we have plenty of different layouts which you can have. You can have two dials, one dial, you can have the sat-nav on the dashboard, the media and also the driver assist. We also have the main infotainment screens in the centre. Again, if they're flickering, it's just the camera. Plenty of features on here, so we do have the likes of the sat-nav. You would have seen them all on the photos, but if you go through some of them, you'll also find we have the DAB radio stations along with the other media options just there as well. Now if you click onto home, then scroll across, you'll also find even further features like the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Scroll across again and you'll also find we have the ambient lighting just here with a few colours which you can go through. It looks really nice at night time. If we go back again though, we also have then the 4x4 information just here. As this vehicle is very capable of going off-road, we have the driver assist, low traction launch and also off-road information. So if you just click onto there, let it load up, you can see we have all these different options for the off-road information along with the different drive modes, which I will explain to you what the different drive modes do. Further down, second screen, you can see that we have the drive modes just here, where we can switch from the Comfort, Eco, we have Dynamic, and then on the right side you'll find the off-road type drive modes just here. Oh, we can control it using this dial here. Click it in and it goes to the auto. Then we have these seats where, as you can see, they can be heated or cooled. And we also have the rear seats as well. Again, they can be heated or cooled. Go back to the front seat itself. We also have the massage function, so if you click onto here, then you can see we turn it on, and we have a few options which you can go through. And then of course we have the climate control with the ice-cold air conditioning just here as well. Further down, you'll find we have the automatic gearbox. Put the car into reverse, you find the reversing camera, but we also have the 3D view just there. Click onto the camera, and then we can go through each individual cameras, and you see all of them will work just like so. Putting the car back into park, we then have the air suspension just here as well. So you can see it's currently on the access height, but if you press this button here, then it goes to the normal height. Press it again and it goes to off-road. Let's leave it on access for now. Then inside of here, you find we have the cup holders. We also have the armrest, and we do have extra armrests for both of these front seats as well. But underneath this one, you find we have some storage space, and we do also have the fridge inside of there as well, which can be turned on just by pressing the button. Keeps everything inside of there nice and cool. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website or get in contact. This vehicle comes with free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching.